Okay, we're doing this painting this afternoon. I'll come around the corner here so everybody can see. This is the one I was explaining before. I did this with just these 3 brushes that my wife was so kind to buy.
I have those.
Yeah, they're made by Meeden. We get them through Amazon.
Are you saying MEEDEN?
Meeden, M-E-E-D-E-N. I never heard of the brand. They're real hair. I believe they're squirrel. I haven't lost one hair out of them, which is amazing because even some of the good brushes, I lose hair. But these are very good. They can be ordered through Amazon. And if you go to my supply list and go to dalepopovich.com, we are in
The Amazon affiliate program.
affiliate program.
So
But I like to promote something that's good.
But more
Still-
importantly, Dale is trying to set up that page so eventually every supply is going to have a blog post and a video. So it's like as though you were here learning from him today. He'll give you all the information he can about the paintbrushes, the easels, the paints.
Yeah, vacuum cleaners, shovel, no, I'm just kidding. Anyways, the QoR paints. My wife signed me up for the Indiana Watercolor Society, unbeknownst to me at one time. And so we went down for a meeting, and they had a golden color representative there. And I've tried a number of different watercolors, Winsor Newton, Holbein, M. Graham, Schmenke, you know, all these things over the years. I have different name brands I use in my studio all at one time. I'm usually using the Talons brand for demonstrating because I demonstrate so much, I'm looking at cost too, as everybody else is. But we came upon the QoR colors. Merely actually won one of the small sets of QoRs. So I have a video online of me doing a small version of this painting from the rough I was talking about when I do roughs. It was like night and day in color. The saturation of these colors, I gave you a color chart. This gives you a little taste of it. I mean, it's dry, but it gives you a little taste of it. It was amazing on the intensities. And when I put them in my tray, because this half is QoRs, this half is the Talons and someone's with such. But I can come back 3 days with them just this snapshot, and they're still good. They're not dried out. They don't dry out that fast. You can actually, in this case, use a little water with them, and they'll be constituted better than I've seen anything.
Why do they not dry out? They're not honey.
No, it's the vehicle that they're using. It's different. It's in the brochure as the vehicle. But these here are, I'm not really fascinated by a lot of new things. This I was. Okay, they've been in business since '48. They've been doing watercolors for about 7, 8 years.
No, 4.
4 years. I was trying to multiply. But QoR paints, I was very impressed with for the first time in probably 20 years with anything new coming out. I don't get that impressed with a lot of stuff. I'm impressed with the indigo watercolor paper. Again, both times her. So anyways, if you like to try it out. It's always good. You can intermix it with other colors, but they work really well together. So let's get started.